A white house with a terracotta roof sits in a serene garden. Vibrant blooms and succulents line a gravel path leading to a porch where a table and chairs invite a peaceful rest. This patio features a white sofa and armchairs around a wooden table. Blue pillows add a cozy touch, while a pergola and lush greenery create a shaded sanctuary by the white house. A white house with a shingled roof overlooks a lush garden. The porch, complete with a bench and lounge chairs, extends into a wooden deck and stone patio amid a sea of greenery. This inviting patio features a white sofa, wicker loveseat and wooden roof. Adorned with lanterns and potted trees, the wooden deck is a warm escape within a flourishing garden. Shaded by a wooden pergola, this patio offers cushioned benches and a coffee table. A gravel path winds through the lush plants and flowers, with a quiet house in the background. A white brick wall frames this outdoor dining area. With a wooden table, integrated sink and hanging light, the patio blends modern utility with the beauty of a lush green view. Striped cushions on white chairs face a fruit-laden table on this wooden patio. Wall-mounted lamps and a stone-bordered pond create a warm, inviting glow in the verdant garden. Beneath a wooden pergola, a white sofa with red striped pillows offers a quiet retreat. Stone steps and a white house frame this sun-drenched space filled with lush garden life. This stone-walled patio features wicker sofas under a wooden ceiling. A gravel path leads through potted flowers, while sliding glass doors connect the garden to the white house. This modern villa shines with a white exterior and wooden deck. Featuring a plush sofa and palm trees, the tranquil space overlooks a pool under a clear, beautiful blue sky. A wooden pergola shades a semicircle of white furniture on this stone patio. Surrounded by a fiddle-leaf fig and lush plants, it is a perfect, serene nook behind a white home. This quaint white cottage sits nestled in a riot of colourful flowers. A stone pathway leads past Adirondack chairs and a wooden bench, creating a vibrant and idyllic garden scene. A beige armchair sits on a wooden porch surrounded by ferns and potted blooms. This sunlit retreat, framed by a clear blue sky, offers a tranquil view of the surrounding forest. A stone floor and wooden pergola define this elegant patio. Featuring both a sofa and a full dining set, the space is bathed in natural light and framed by a classic stone wall. A wooden porch and pergola provide a shaded spot for outdoor dining. A stone path winds through flowering shrubs toward a white house with a red tile roof in this lush garden.